Welcome back to Short Stories for English Learners. Today's story is called The Clockmaker's Secret. It's about an old man, a magical clock, and the mystery of time. Listening to stories like this improves your English listening skills while teaching new words. Stay until the end, where we'll go over today's key vocabulary. Let's get started. In a small, foggy town, there lived an old clockmaker named Mr. Alaric. His tiny shop was filled with clocks of all shapes and sizes. But one clock stood out. It was a tall, golden grandfather clock that sat in the corner of the shop. The villagers often came to Mr. Alaric's shop to admire the golden clock. They said it had the most beautiful chimes they had ever heard. But Mr. Alaric always smiled and said, "It's not for sale. This clock holds a secret." One day, a curious boy named Oliver entered the shop. He loved clocks and often spent hours watching Mr. Alaric work. "Mr. Alaric," Oliver asked, "what's the secret of the golden clock?" The old man smiled but didn't answer. Instead, he handed Oliver a small pocket watch and said, "Take this. It will guide you." Oliver looked at the watch. It was simple, with only one word engraved on it: patience. The next morning, Oliver heard a strange sound coming from the golden clock. It wasn't the usual chime, but a soft humming. He rushed to the shop and found Mr. Alaric standing beside the clock, smiling. "Oliver," he said, "the clock only reveals its secret to those who are patient." "What's the secret?" Oliver asked eagerly. Mr. Alaric opened the glass door of the clock. Inside, instead of gears and springs, there was a small, glowing orb. "This is the heart of time," Mr. Alaric explained. "It reminds us that every moment is precious, but only those who are patient can truly appreciate it." Oliver stared at the glowing orb in wonder. From that day on, he visited Mr. Alaric every morning, learning not just about clocks, but about the importance of patience and living in the moment. Years later, when Mr. Alaric passed away, he left the golden clock to Oliver. The young boy had grown into a wise man, sharing the clock's secret with everyone in the village. And so, the golden clock became more than just a timepiece. It became a symbol of patience, wisdom, and the value of time. Let's review some key words from today's story. Clockmaker, someone who makes or fixes clocks. Mr. Alaric was a skilled clockmaker. Chime, the sound a clock makes. The golden clock had beautiful chimes. Patience, the ability to wait calmly. The pocket watch reminded Oliver to have patience. Precious, very valuable or important. Time is precious, and we must use it wisely. Wisdom, deep knowledge or understanding. The golden clock taught Oliver wisdom. Well done. Practice using these words in your own sentences. Thank you for listening to today's story, The Clockmaker's Secret. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who are learning English. Remember, time is precious. Use it wisely and keep practicing your English every day. See you in the next story.